UAE-based armored vehicle maker enters robotics market. A company that has spent nearly 2 decades building bulletproof pickup cars for warlords, mining companies, and armies across 60 countries has revealed its new robot, and it wants that robot doing everything from scouting minefields to hauling ammunition without a soldier ever climbing inside. United Arab Emirates-based TAG Dynamics, an armored vehicle manufacturer established in 2009 with certified manufacturing facilities and a client base spanning more than 60 countries, unveiled the Sicarius UGV 1.5, an unmanned ground vehicle the company describes as one of its latest research and development innovations built to expand the capabilities of modern military and security forces. TAG Dynamics built its reputation over more than 3 decades of combined industry experience designing armored SUVs, tactical carriers, and military vehicles, including becoming the first company in the world to achieve VPM Edition 3, VR7 ballistic certification on a Toyota Land Cruiser 300, a globally recognized standard testing a vehicle's ability to withstand high-powered rifle fire and other severe threats. The Sicarius UGV 1.5 marks a notable expansion beyond that traditional wheeled and armored vehicle business into robotic ground systems, a category increasingly central to how militaries worldwide plan to reduce risk to human troops in contested environments. TAG Dynamics said the platform runs on a fully electric 66 drivetrain paired with skid-steer mobility, a maneuvering method that turns the vehicle by varying the speed of wheels on opposite sides rather than using a traditional steering mechanism, giving the robot tighter turning capability in confined or uneven terrain than a conventionally steered vehicle would achieve. Continuous innovation is driven by the ability to anticipate the operational challenges of tomorrow and engineer solutions that meet them today, TAG Dynamics said. Built around what the company calls a modular architecture, the Sicarius UGV 1.5 is designed to support reconnaissance, logistics, drone operations, communication relay, and combat support missions across demanding operational environments, according to TAG Dynamics. That breadth of intended roles reflects a broader trend across the unmanned ground vehicle industry, where manufacturers increasingly favor a single adaptable chassis that operators can reconfigure for different missions over building separate, purpose-built vehicles for each individual task. A design philosophy that can lower both procurement costs and the logistical burden of maintaining multiple distinct vehicle types. TAG Dynamics emphasized that the platform is built to evolve alongside whatever mission a customer eventually assigns it rather than locking buyers into a fixed capability set. The Sicarius UGV 1.5 represents one of TAG Dynamics' latest research and development innovations, developed to expand the capabilities of modern military and security forces through a highly adaptable unmanned ground platform. Engineered with a fully electric 66 drivetrain, skid-steer mobility, and a modular architecture, the platform is designed to support reconnaissance, logistics, drone operations, communication relay, and combat support across demanding operational environments, TAG Dynamics said. TAG Dynamics said the Sicarius UGV 1.5 can be equipped with autonomous navigation sensors, technology that lets the vehicle move through terrain with reduced reliance on constant human steering input, and configured with remote weapon stations up to 12.7 mm 0.5 in. A caliber commonly associated with heavy machine guns capable of engaging light vehicles and fortified positions from a stabilized, operator-controlled mount rather than requiring a gunner to expose themselves outside the vehicle. Certain variants of the platform can also be armored up to STANAG 4569 Level 2, a NATO standardization agreement establishing protection levels for armored vehicles against small arms fire and artillery fragmentation, giving those configurations meaningful survivability for crews operating equipment near the robot during high-risk operations. Designed to evolve with mission requirements, the Sicarius UGV 1.5 can be configured for multiple operational roles and integrated with mission-specific technologies, allowing organizations to deploy a platform that adapts to changing operational demands rather than being limited to a single mission profile, TAG Dynamics said. TAG Dynamics' entry into unmanned ground systems arrives at a moment when the broader armored vehicle industry has increasingly recognized robotics as a natural extension of traditional protective vehicle manufacturing rather than an entirely separate business line. The company's existing customer base, spanning United Nations peacekeeping operations, national defense ministries, law enforcement agencies, and commercial security operations in demanding environments, including the Democratic Republic of the Congo's mining regions, gives TAG Dynamics an established distribution and service network it can potentially leverage to introduce the Sicarius platform to customers already familiar with the company's existing armored vehicle lineup, including its BAT-UMG, Armored Personnel Carrier, and Terrier X tactical vehicle. TAG Dynamics closed its announcement with language framing the broader mission behind its research and development work. At TAG Dynamics, research and development is focused on creating technologies that enhance operational capability, increase mission effectiveness, and support the future of autonomous defense systems. Keeping you safe when it matters, TAG Dynamics said.